How to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Unlike denominators, again, is when the two denominators are different. So what we have to do is we have to make these denominators share a common denominators. They need to be the same denominator, like denominators. So let's draw the first picture for those who prefer drawing. You have 3/4 slices. 1, 2, 3. 3/4. You want to take away half of this whole. Can we rename this fraction? Can you rename it into a different one? Isn't 1/2 the same as 2/4? It is. So 3/4 take away 2/4. So they want you to take away two parts here. What do you have left over? 1/4. So that is the drawing method. What happens if you don't want to draw these? So we have 3/4 and you have 1/2. So what is the common denominator for 4 and 2? Some students will say 8 is the common denominator, but we're looking for the least common denominator, almost like least common multiple. So what does 4 and 2 share in common? Not 8, not 6, 4. Oh, so we leave this one alone. And so we're creating a ratio table. So how can you rename 1/2 to blank over 4? 2, 4. So 1/2 is the same or equivalent to 2/4. So if you have 3/4 take away 2/4 is 1/4. Remember, you keep the denominator same, you subtract the numerator. So 3/4 minus 1/2 is 1/4. Next one. 9/10 take away 2/5. So these are unlike denominator. We need a common denominator. What do they share? What does 10 and 5 share in common? 50? No. I mean, yeah, 50, but we're looking for the least one. 20? What about 10? Let's see, 5, 10. They do share 10. So let me circle this. Let me circle this. So 2/5 can be renamed as 4/10. So what is 9/10 minus 4/10? Keep the denominator the same. 9 minus 4 is 5/10. Can you simplify 5/10? I think you can. What is the greatest factor that goes into 5 and 10? 5. So it's 1/2. 5/10 is 1/2. So 9/10 minus 2/5 is 1/2. Next example. 5/6 minus 1/4. What does 6 and 4 share in common? 24. Is there something? 12? 12? I think it's 12. Let's see. 6, 12. 4, 8, 12. So they share the common denominator of 12. So let's rename 5/6. 5/6 can be renamed as 10/12. 1/4 can be renamed as 2/8 or 3/4. Sorry. 1/4, 2/8, or 3/12. I apologize. So what is 10/12 take away 3/12? Keep the denominators the same. Subtract the numerator. Oh my goodness gracious. 7/12. So 10/12 take away 3/12 is 7/12. And our last example, oh goodness, 3 fractions. We have 3/4. Let's create a ratio table. 1/2. So it says subtract those. Subtract those first. So what does 4 and 2 share? 8. I think 4. 4. It does share 4. Let's circle that. Circle that. Let's rename 1/2. Rename 1/2 to 2/4. 3/4 minus 2/4 is 3/4 minus 2/4 is 1/4. But then they said add 3/8 to that. Oh my goodness. So 1/4 plus 3/8. So what does 4 and 8 share? 32, 16, 8. They share 8. 4 and 8 share in common 8. Share the denominator of 8. So let's circle that so we know that's what they share in common. How do you rename 1/4? Rename it to 2/8. 2/8 plus 3/8 is, let's see, 2/8 plus 3/8 is 5/8. 5/8. So, wow. So you have 3/4 minus 1/2, or 2/4 is 1/4. Then they want you to add 1/4 or 2/8 to 3/8, and you get the answer of 5/8. So in subtracting fractions with unlike denominator, you need to find a common denominator. And then you rename the fraction, and then you subtract the numerator, keep the denominator the same. That is how you subtract fractions with unlike denominators.